Let's find the domain of this function. This function contains logarithmic function, and the logarithmic function is defined for only non-zero positive numbers. So the term in the argument of logarithmic function should be greater than 0. So let's take y minus 2x greater than 0, and after simplifying it, it gives y is greater than 2x. So all the ordered pairs satisfying this inequality would be in the domain of this function. So its domain can be defined as this, and this line is related to the equation y is equal to 2x, which is linear equation, that is sloped line, you can say. Let's sketch its domain. So here it is x coordinate and y coordinate. So first we would sketch the line y is equal to 2x. So this is y is equal to 2x. I used dashed lines. It represents that the points on the line are not included in its domain because there is no equal sign in this inequality. So now here y is greater than 2x means all the ordered pairs above this line are in the domain of the given function. So this is the region for the domain of the given function, and the ordered pairs on the line y is equal to 2x are not included in its domain.